Hello, I'm Michelle Jorgensen with Mount Mahogany Steak Self-Reliance and Emergency Preparedness. In past videos, we've talked about how there's two things that need to happen to found water to be able to make it usable. It needs to be filtered and it needs to be purified. And hopefully you've watched those short videos about how to do both of those things. Today, we're going to talk about how to do it all in one. So it's very good to have a live straw or something of that sort. There's live straws, there's Berkey bottles, there's things like this, which is a Sawyer water filtration system. All of these items are filters plus a purification system built into one. And it's wonderful to have something like this for every person in your family. You know, the live straw, I've had it joked that might kill you just trying to get water through it. The Berkey bottle is similar, but you know what? If it's all you had, you would be able to get water through it. That's fine. They're great to put in a 72-hour kit, something of that sort. But if you're wanting to do large amounts of water, I love to have something like this, which is a true Berkey. This is actually a travel Berkey, so it's a lot lighter. It's easy to set up. It's light. You can see it's actually quite transportable. And these filters go inside of this Berkey water filter. Here's the cool thing though. You can actually purchase these Berkey filters all on your own, just like this. This is a Berkey filter. You can buy them and you can put them into a do-it-yourself water filter or purifier system. If you go on our blog, which is mmsteakselfreliance.com, again, that's mmsteakselfreliance.com, we have some links for some DIY kits that you can actually purchase. And what they have is they have filters like this filter or a different kind of filter. They have a spigot, and they have instructions on how to turn 2 5-gallon buckets into this Berkey. You can do it all for about $50. So find out how to either find money in your budget to get an actual Berkey or to make your own DIY water filter. That way you can filter and purify large amounts of water at once for your family. Why are you doing that? Because water is extremely essential to survival. You can only last 3 days without it. You're going to need a lot of water for drinking, to rehydrate food that you may have. If you have dehydrated food, have you thought that you're going to need water to rehydrate that? You're going to need it for cooking. You're going to need it for sanitation. You're going to need it for food preservation. There's all sorts of things that you're going to need that water for. So it's important that you have a way to take water that you find somewhere and turn it into something usable.